Hi, thanks for using My Court Coach. I'm Sarah, and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the Declaration of Payment History, also known as Form FL-420. As with all our court forms, you want to start off by filling in your identifying case caption information at the top. This is a form that would need to be submitted if you're asking the court to make a finding as to what arrears are owed. Arrears are basically back support or finding of unpaid support. So to start off with, you're going to list your name at the top. And then below that, you're going to check the boxes for the different categories of support that you're asking the court to make a determination on that hasn't been paid. You're going to fill in your name at the bottom, sign and date this. There is a section here for number of pages attached. That's because attached to this, there's also another form that's required. It's the Declaration of Payment History Attachment, FL-421. We will have a separate video that addresses how to fill those out, but you want to add up the number of those pages and fill that in line number 3. Below is where you're going to list your support arrearage summary. Again, you want to identify the category of support that you're claiming is behind or the other party is behind on, and add up the principal owed. That's just the base amount. If you are including interest in, you can add that in this middle column here. You don't have to. If you do not include interest, it does not mean you're waiving your right to later request interest on past due amounts. And then you want to add up these two columns and list the total arrearage. Again, you're going to fill your name at the bottom, sign and date. You'll see again, there's another place to list the number of pages for the arrearage statement you're attaching. If you are calculating interest and you have that calculation, you can go ahead and attach that to this. That's really what it's referring to. So this form is ready to be filed now, as long as you attach your FL-421 forms to it, and it can be filed as part of your request to the court to determine and enforce support arrearages. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.